Being close to the ocean is like nothing you can imagine. You're constantly surrounded with life. Sometimes it's just hard to know where to look or point your camera to next. On this trip there was a special moment for everyone. For businessman Bill Moorhead from Bundaberg, it was the chance to see a little known Australian bird.
I wanted a bloody broad-billed Prion. You've waited 3 days and 40 knot storms to find me one, but yeah, fantastic, Simon. Came in from the back of the boat, full headshot, everyone got brilliant views from about 15 metres, turned around and went away. Just been awesome.
Life on board was pretty relaxed. We were in good hands with a crew who've lapped the Antarctic. There was so much wildlife to see and hardly a moment to check the day's photos before another rare encounter, like when Sei Whales suddenly appeared on the bow. That's a moment that will stay with everyone for the rest of their lives.